It's a Renault Espace from 2010 and it has a fuse box here in the engine compartment. To access it, open the hood. Lift up this thing and that's the fuse box. It has a connector, you just have to pull it up, and two more in the back, the same type, just pull up. Okay, that's the box and the two connectors, these, and those are the fuses. We have those small mini fuses, and plus there is something here in the back also, 20 amps. Okay, and to put it back, just push it down. That's it, fuse box on the Renault Espace.